Hey everybody, it's me, Dorilly. Now that I've got 3 crystal dolls under my belt, I've got some experience and I'd like to up my game. I'd like to do a doll in full Preciosa crystals, but they only offer the SS3 size in their Maxima line, which is more expensive than their Viva line. But any larger than that, and in a lot of places things start to look very chunky and pixelated on a doll. I wish I could get the SS2 size, but if they're still making them anywhere, if they ever did in the first place, I can't find them. So I'm thinking it's going to cost me somewhere between $500 and $700, depending on what design choices I make. In any case, though, I really need to sell at least one of the 3 girls I've already made to buy these materials. So I put them up on Etsy, and I pray that there will be enough interest from a benefactor who can afford it to allow me to continue along this line of creation. I know they're a lot, but there were so many hours of work put into them. Here where I live, minimum wage is $12.50, but I'm only asking for $10 an hour for my work, even though I know that's still a pretty first world wage. And I'm not even adding in the cost of the materials or fees or shipping and handling. But I'm asking for $1,000 for Gulia, $1,100 for Ginger, and $1,440 for Abby. If you know anybody who might be interested, please pass it along. In the meantime, I'm going to work on a spray painting tutorial and possibly replacing loose limbs with magnetic connections. Oh, plus I did want to do some additional videos at some point, adding some details that I've picked up over the years about head shrinking and some more details about pave technique that I've figured out now that I've done 3 of them. Anyway, I'll be back later. See ya!